Hi, it's Anya here, and welcome to the Cooking with Plants channel. If you haven't been here before, welcome, and I hope you enjoyed the recipe I'm going to share with you today. If you're a subscriber, then welcome back to another recipe. And for today, I'm actually going to share a recipe from my Meal Prep Made Easy course. So if you haven't checked that out and you'd like some easy tips on how to cook quick and easy and nutritionally balanced vegan or plant-based meals, then check that out. I've got the link for that below. But for now, let's get into this delicious lentil bolognese recipe.
Cooking with plants, vegan made easy.
So I want to give you a very quick tip on how you can make a sauce similar to a bolognese sauce but plant-based and really quick and easy to make. So you could either use all lentils. If you had brown lentils, tinned lentils, they are perfect as a ground beef substitute. Or what I'm using now is the quinoa and lentils that I prepared earlier as a salad. So if I had these left over at the end of the week, I could just pour these into a pot. And again, I haven't turned the heat on yet. I just always like to just pile everything straight into the pot. And then I've got a tin of sauce. So whatever brand you use, that is fine. And it's cold out of the fridge, so it's not coming out of this jar very easily. But you get the idea of what I'm combining. And then I've got some parsley. I'm adding quite a lot of this dried parsley. And then I'm also going to add in some spinach leaves. And you could add these at the end if you like. Totally up to you. And then what I like to do, if there's some leftovers in the jar, I just get some water, pour it into the jar, and I might even pour a little bit into this jar of quinoa. Give it a shake up and just pour the rest of that in there so I'm not wasting it. And then with this jar, just put that lid on, shake it up. Take the lid off and then just pour that into here, and then get that going on the heat, and I'll show you what it looks like in a moment. So once you've got everything in, just give it a stir through and then bring it to a simmer, a high simmer, and then just let that sit for 10 or 15 minutes until you have your sauce. So if you wanted more of a traditional bolognese sauce, just use some onions and garlic and your brown lentils, and then however you like to make your tomato based sauce. And you don't have to add the spinach. This is just something I like to add in just to add more nutrition and to get some more greens into my body. But yeah, if you want to make a traditional bolognese sauce, lentils are amazing to use, and then you can use it in lasagna or in shepherd's pie, even as taco filling. Really quick and easy to make, but having the quinoa in there is also really delicious. And again, it just adds slightly different texture, and it's a great way of using up leftovers that you have in the fridge. So just another idea for you, and a quick way that you can use up ingredients for your meal prep. So this is just after 10 minutes and you have a beautiful, rich, delicious, hot, steamy sauce that is ready to go on pasta or rice. And it is delicious. It would even be beautiful served with some mashed potato and some steamed vegetables. Perfect for batch cooking and meal prepping and like I said, using in other dishes such as lasagna, or if you want to make some stuffed capsicums or stuffed red bell peppers, mix it with some rice and then put it into some bell peppers and bake them up in the oven. There's just so many ways you can just keep reusing your ingredients and making different meals and adding variety. So I hope you like this lentil sauce tip, because it's really quick and easy, healthy and delicious.